In this video, I'm going over complementary, supplementary, and vertical angles. In my first problem, I have two lines that are crossing, and I only have one of the four angles. Now, I recognize that there's a straight line right here, and I know that straight lines add up to 180. So whatever x is, if I do x plus 152, I better get 180. So if the whole thing is 180 and I already used up 152, that means that the other angle must be 28 degrees. So I'm going to label this as 28 degrees. So x is 28 degrees. Now, knowing these two angles, I can easily fill in the other two angles. Since this angle x is 28 degrees, its vertical angle is also 28 degrees. These angles are congruent, which means they have the same angle measurement. Since this angle is 152 and it's vertical to angle Z is 152 degrees as well. So I can fill these in 28 degrees, 152 degrees. All right, next one. All right, I have to recognize that there is a straight line right here. And straight lines have an angle measurement of 180 degrees. So 123 degrees plus y has to add up to 180. So if this whole thing has to add up to 180, I can take away 123 and see what's left over for the other angle, and it's 57 degrees. So the other angle better be 57 degrees. Now to check to see if I'm right, just make sure that these two angles add up to 180 degrees. And they do. So I know I did it correctly. Lastly, find the degree measure of x. Remember, a right angle equals 90 degrees. Now, I know that this is a right angle because there is a little square in the corner, and right angles add up to 90 degrees. So I know that 31 degrees plus x plus 23 degrees needs to equal 90. So let's see. I already know that one of the angles is 31 and one of the angles is 23. So that adds up to 54 degrees. So this one, I'm just going to do 90 minus 54 to see how much is left for x. So let's see, 36 degrees. So this must be 36 degrees because that's the only way that all of these would add up to 90 degrees. Now, a way I can check is just add them all together and make sure that they add up to 90 degrees. And they do, so I know that I'm correct. Thank you for watching. Please see me if you have any questions.